Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use the new TikTok Studio editor. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed TikTok on your phone and you have already logged into your account. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open TikTok on your phone. This is the homepage of TikTok. Now to use the TikTok Studio editor, you'll have to create a video. So for that, tap on the plus sign at the bottom menu of the page. And there's one thing I forgot to say it earlier, but you'll have to update your TikTok to use this feature. If you haven't updated the app yet, then go to Play Store, type TikTok, press search, and instead of the open option, you'll see the update option. Go ahead and tap on it and wait for the app to get updated. Then you can start using the feature. So yeah, tap on this plus sign at the bottom of the page so that you can create a video. Now you can either capture a real-time video or just upload it. I'll upload it from my gallery, so tap on upload. Now from the gallery, choose any video that you want to edit. You can also select multiple videos. For that, tap on select multiple option at the bottom of the page and start selecting the videos. So I'll choose this one and this one, then press next. Now to use the TikTok Studio editor, you'll have to tap on the adjust clips option. It is right below the filters option. Now you can start editing the videos. Let's look at some features here. Tap on the videos overlay if you want to edit the video, and tap on the sound like this if you want to edit the sound. You can also trim the video if you want to. For that, you'll just have to slide the ends of these videos as per your need. You can slide the video to the right if you want to make it short. Now let's talk about the features. If you tap on this adjust option like this, you can adjust the video size and press save. Now when you tap on the video clip, you can access all these features. Tap on volume and you'll be able to adjust the volume for the video. Adjust it and press save when you're done. You can also manage the speed of the clip using this speed option. So tap on it and you can adjust the speed as per your requirement. And when you're done, press on save again to save the changes. The next feature is the split feature. When you tap on the video clip and then on the split option, your video will be split into different parts like this. And you can delete it using the delete function at the bottom. Now let's talk about the sound feature. Tap on it and you can see three different options here. You can replace the audio using the replace sound feature. So let's tap on this and you can select the sound that you want to replace the original sound with. You can adjust volume using the volume feature. Also, you can delete the sound if you want to using the delete feature. The next feature we are going to talk about is this plus sign. You can add other clips to this video if you want to using this sign. Now you can select the videos and press next after you're done. Let's do it. And here it is. You can also add texts if you want to. For that, tap on the text option and then on add text. Then you can write whatever you want to. You can also change the color of the text from these color options here, and also the fonts from these options here. Then press done. Now you can adjust the text wherever you want on the screen. On the video. You can copy the text if you want to using the copy option and delete it using the delete option. You can also use the text to speech feature. If you use this feature while playing a video, an artificial voice will recite the text for you. Now let's go back and have a look on other features. So here's the overlay feature as well. Let's tap on it. Now you can select any video that you want to insert as an overlay. So I'll just choose this one and press next. Wait for it to load. It might take few seconds, so be patient. And here it is. In this way, you can overlay other videos as well. And you can start editing them simultaneously. You can drag and trim this video if you want to. You can also adjust the position of the video like this. Also, you can use all the other features that I just described to you. So these are all the features in TikTok Studio Editor that you should know about. I hope this video was helpful. So this is it for the video. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.